Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, we can use Secure Folder in order to move photos and videos to that folder. The Secure Folder will be not accessible until you actually go there. So, in order to have access to the Secure Folder, for instance, if you open a picture in the gallery and if you tap on these three dots, you should be able to have move to secure folder. And if you press it, then you might need to enter the pin code, password, or whatever you have set in order to store the photo or video in the hidden gallery that will be in the secure folder. If you don't have this option, then first we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, you want to scroll down and go to security and privacy. Over here, go to more security settings, and here you have secure folder where you can set it up. Now, if you do this for the first time, then of course you will have the process of creating the folder. It might take like a minute or two in order to create it. You will be able to choose the lock type and so on and so forth. And once you have it, then of course you can go back to the gallery, let's say, and then add it to the secure folder. Now, in order to access the hidden photo or video, we need to go to the secure folder back. And over here, if you open the gallery, you should be able to find your photo or video. Now keep in mind, in order to lock the secure folder, you need to tap on these three dots and then choose lock and exit, so that no one can reopen the secure folder quickly. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.